What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Wealth AI, where we turn artificial intelligence into actual income. Before we get into it, if you're new here, this channel is about one thing: using AI tools to build real income streams. Not theory, not motivation, actual step by step methods that work right now in 2026. So, if that's what you're here for, hit subscribe and let's get into it. Today's video is about Claude AI, Anthropic's AI model that has quietly become the preferred tool for professionals who are actually making money with AI. And I want to start with a number that will put this whole video in context. A freelance writer tracked by AI Business in March 2026 went from billing $10,000 a month to $18,000 a month. Same clients, same niche, same brain. The only variable that changed was Claude. Not because Claude wrote for her, but because Claude restructured what her time was worth. That's what today's video is about. Not AI as a gimmick, AI as a genuine income multiplier. And by the end of this video, you're going to have three specific methods, the exact prompts for each one, and a clear action plan you can start this weekend. Let me give you the honest picture of what's happening in the AI income space right now. Because most videos about this either overpromise or underdeliver. Here's what's real. Claude AI processes over 3 billion API requests every month. Around 80% of Anthropic's revenue comes from enterprise and developer workloads, meaning serious businesses are paying serious money to use this tool. HubSpot's 2025 agency survey found that marketing agencies using AI for copywriting reported a 68% reduction in production time per deliverable. For solo operators, freelancers, side hustlers, one person businesses, the gains are even bigger because there's no coordination overhead. Claude specifically excels at three things that directly translate to income. Coding. It scores 77.2% on SWE Bench Verified, the gold standard coding benchmark. Long form content. It produces natural human sounding writing that needs minimal editing. And document analysis. It handles up to 200,000 tokens in a single conversation, roughly 500 pages of data. Three capabilities, three income methods. That's exactly what we are covering today. The $300 a day number in the title, is that realistic? Yes. Is it guaranteed? No. Here's the honest framing. Freelancers using Claude are completing 3 to 5 times more work in the same hours. If you are making $100 a day doing this work manually, Claude gets you to $300 to $500 without working longer. That's the real story, not a magic button, a genuine productivity multiplier that changes your income ceiling. Method 1: AI copywriting service. This is the fastest path to your first dollar with Claude. Here's why. Businesses need written content constantly: emails, ads, blog posts, social media, product descriptions, newsletters. The demand never stops. And most business owners either can't write well or don't have time. You become the solution. You use Claude to produce professional quality copy at a speed no human writer can match, and you charge professional rates. Here's what the service looks like in practice. A client needs a 5 email welcome sequence for their new coaching program. You take their brief, open Claude, and use this exact prompt structure. Act as an expert email copywriter with 10 years of experience in the coaching and personal development industry. Write a 5 email welcome sequence for a business coach targeting overwhelmed entrepreneurs. The tone should be warm, direct, and motivating. Each email should be under 300 words. Include a subject line for each email. The sequence should move from welcome to value to social proof to offer. Here's the client's brief. Claude produces all 5 emails in under 2 minutes. You spend 20 minutes reviewing, refining, and personalizing. You deliver in 24 hours instead of 3 days. You charge $350 to $500 for the project. The client thinks you spent hours. You spent 25 minutes. Where to find clients? Fiverr and Upwork are your starting point. Create a profile that specifically mentions AI assisted delivery, fast turnaround, consistent quality. Charge competitive rates initially to build reviews. After 5 reviews, raise your rates by 30%. The numbers: 2 projects a day at $300 average is $600 a day. Even one project a day at $350 is $10,500 a month. These are not fantasy numbers. They are what experienced AI copywriters are billing right now. One pro tip from a real practitioner: build a prompt library. Keep a folder of your best tested prompts organized by use case: cold outreach, welcome sequences, product descriptions, ad copy. Each one is a tested tool. Building this library takes 3 weeks. Using it saves 15 hours a week after that. That's where the real compounding income comes from. Method 2: AI assisted coding services. This one surprises people the most because you don't need to be a developer. Let me be clear about what that means and what it doesn't mean. You don't need to know how to write code from scratch. You do need to understand what code is supposed to do, how to test it, and how to communicate clearly with the client about what they need. Claude handles the technical writing. You handle the project management and client relationship. Here's what this looks like in practice. A small e-commerce business needs a tool that automatically generates product descriptions from a spreadsheet of product features. They've been doing this manually. It takes their team 3 hours every week. They want it automated. You take their brief, you open Claude and type. Act as a senior Python developer. Build a script that reads a CSV file containing product features, name, material, dimensions, color, and target customer, and generates a professional SEO optimized product description for each row. Output should be a new CSV with the original data plus a generated description column. Make the descriptions between 80 and 120 words each. Use a friendly, direct tone. Claude builds the script, you test it with their data, you deliver it. You charge $600 to $1,200. What kinds of projects work for this method? Chrome extensions, data processing scripts, automation tools, web scrapers, simple apps, database tools. All of these have small business clients willing to pay $500 to $2,000 for a working solution. Claude scores 77.2% on SWE Bench Verified, higher than ChatGPT. For the level of projects small businesses need, simple automation, data tools, basic scripts, Claude's capability is more than enough. Where to find clients? Upwork has a constant stream of small businesses looking for automation help. Search for Python script, automation tool, or Chrome extension in the job feed. These projects are underserved because most developers charge too much. You, using Claude, can undercut developer rates and still make excellent margins. The income ceiling on this method is the highest of the three. Experienced AI assisted developers are billing $5,000 to $10,000 a month on Upwork within 6 months. Method 3: research and analysis reports. This is the most underrated income method on this list because it sounds boring. But here's the reality: information is the most valuable thing a business can buy, and Claude is the fastest research synthesizer on the planet. Claude handles 200,000 tokens, roughly 500 pages of data in a single conversation. You can paste in an entire competitor's website, a year of industry reports, or hundreds of customer reviews and ask Claude to find patterns, identify gaps, and write a structured professional summary. What used to take a researcher 3 days now takes you 2 hours. Here's the exact service: market research and competitor analysis reports. A startup needs to understand their competitive landscape before raising a funding round. They need to know who their top 5 competitors are, what each one charges, what their customers say about them, and where the gaps in the market are. Your process: spend 30 minutes collecting publicly available information: competitor websites, G2 reviews, pricing pages, LinkedIn data. Paste it all into Claude with this prompt: act as a senior market research analyst. I'm going to give you data on 5 competitors in the space. Analyze each one across pricing model, key features, customer complaints, positioning, and target customer. Then identify the top 3 market gaps, areas where customer needs are unmet or underserved. Format the output as a professional executive report with an executive summary, competitor profiles, and market opportunity section. Claude produces a structured professional report. You spend 30 minutes reviewing and adding any final insights. You deliver a polished PDF. You charge $400 to $800. The clients for this service: startups, small businesses launching new products, consultants, and marketing agencies. All of them need research. Very few of them have time or budget for a full-time researcher. You fill that gap at a fraction of the cost. The income potential: one report a day at $500 average is $10,000 a month. Even 3 reports a week is $6,000 a month part time. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. And this is the move that takes you from side hustle to serious business. Combine all three methods and pitch yourself as a one person AI agency. Here's what that looks like. You approach a small business and offer a monthly retainer that includes 4 pieces of content per week, one automation tool per quarter, and a monthly competitor analysis report. You package it as AI business services and charge $2,000 to $3,500 a month. With Claude doing the heavy lifting, you can service 3 to 5 clients on this retainer model simultaneously. That's $6,000 to $17,500 a month from recurring clients. No chasing new work every week. No competing on price for one-off projects. Stable, predictable income. The key to making the agency model work is this. Don't sell AI, sell outcomes. Your client doesn't care that Claude wrote their emails. They care that their email open rates went up 40%. They don't care that Claude built their automation tool. They care that their team saves 5 hours a week. Always frame your service in terms of the result, not the technology. Your first agency client. Start with one. Offer a free 30-day trial of one service. Deliver results that speak for themselves. Then pitch the full retainer. One client at $2,500 a month is $30,000 a year. That's a business, not a side hustle. Before I give you your action plan, I want to make sure you leave this video with the one thing that makes all three methods work. The role, task, format framework. Every single prompt you send to Claude for income generating work needs three things. Role. Tell Claude who it's being. Act as a senior copywriter. Act as a Python developer. Act as a market research analyst. This activates a completely different level of Claude's capability. The role changes the vocabulary, the structure, and the quality of the output. Task. Tell Claude exactly what you need. Not write an email. Write a cold outreach email for a B2B SaaS company targeting HR managers at companies with 50 to 200 employees. The goal is to book a 15-minute discovery call. The tone should be professional but conversational. Format. Tell Claude exactly how to deliver it. Give me the output as a numbered list. Format it as a professional PDF ready report with section headers. Keep it under 100 words with a subject line and one clear CTA. Role plus task plus format equals professional output every time. Without this structure, you get generic answers. With it, you get work worth charging for. Save this framework, write it on a sticky note next to your screen if you have to. It's the foundation of every income generating prompt in your library. Here's your action plan for this weekend. 3 steps, no excuses. Step 1. Pick one method: copywriting, coding, or research. Just one. Don't try to start all three simultaneously. Step 2. Go to Fiverr or Upwork today. Create a profile or update your existing one with your new AI powered service. Use the word fast turnaround and AI assisted. Buyers respond to both. Step 3. Send your first proposal by Sunday. One proposal, that's all. The hardest part is the first one. After that, it gets easier every time. I put the complete prompt library for all three methods. Every prompt tested and ready to use in the free Wealth AI newsletter. Link is in the description. Go grab it now before you close this video. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. We post daily on Wealth AI. One tool, one strategy, one step closer to financial freedom every single day. Part 2 of this series drops next week, and it covers the professional prompting method that takes your output from good to genuinely impressive. Don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.